Leo, hi. Welcome to Mr. Queen PH at sisilip tayo sa 2025. Tingnan natin kung ano yung parating sa inyo ngayong 2025. Ayan, meron pa rin naman kayong annual reading for 2025 sa December. So, abangan nyo na lang yan. So, for now, silip tayo sa 2025. What's coming to you? And if you're interested in private readings, meron tayong link sa description at sa pinned comment. Pakicheck nyo na lang information kung paano mag-book for a private reading. Okay, Leo, let's see what's coming to you 2025. Okay, you have the 5th house. You have Gemini or Uranus. Okay, Uranus is anything unexpected, major change, can be a new beginning, unexpected new beginning. 5th house is marami kasi yan eh. So, pwedeng yung iba sa inyo merong unexpected pregnancy, okay, Leo? Or, pwedeng ikaw to, no? Na mabubuntis or makakabuntis. So, just take whatever resonates sa inyo. Yeah, meron ng unexpected baby rito. Yung iba naman, I see you na meron kang mga creative ideas ngayong 2025 na maaring i-explore mo. So, example, you want to start a YouTube channel. May idea ka kung ano yung content na gagawin mo. So, you're going to execute that. Gagawin mo yan. Maaring magre-research ka. Pwede rin tong parang biglaang interest na magiging interesado ka na i-explore yung creativity mo, yung talents mo, yung skills mo. Some of you meron ding unexpected na relationship or dating someone, you want to get to know this person. But I see this as more on hindi siya ganun kaseryoso na relationship. Parang maaring you just want to have fun. Gusto mo lang mag-enjoy. To have fun being with someone. Pwede siyang casual relationships or pwede siyang alam mo yun, walang obligasyon. Oo, na relationship. Or you're just getting to know someone in a deeper level. Okay? And you will see kung may potential na maging seryoso yung relationship ninyo. Kasi 5th house is also about dating, having fun. Pwede rin meron kang i-explore ng mga fun activities ngayong 2025 that you haven't tried before. Dahil pwedeng natatakot ka or pwedeng wala ka lang time, pero ngayong 2025, you're going to finally do it. Yung iba sa inyo merong creative writing talents, no? Magaling magsulat or magaling makipag-communicate. You can also use social media to express and share your ideas. So, maaring meron ka ng creative na ideas to start. Okay, let's see what else, Leo. You have the 1st house. This is about yourself. So, maaring you will put more attention to yourself ngayong 2025, practicing self-love, self-care. Maaari ring meron ka mga changes na gagawin sa sarili mo. You will improve your health or your physical appearance, the way you style your hair. Kumbaga, marami kang pwedeng i-improve sa sarili mo ngayong 2025. And it's all up to you kung saan ka mas magpo-focus. Pwede kasi sa physical appearance, pwedeng sa iyong creative ability, sa talents mo, sa skill set mo, or sa mind mo. Kasi pwedeng may pag-aaralan ka, or may i-enhance ka na knowledge. You also have debilitated, which is discomfort. So, maaring may mga changes na kakaharapin ka na sa una, medyo mahirap kasi hindi ka pamilyar dun sa susubukan mo. Or, syempre lahat naman ng mga change, minsan hindi siya komportable kasi, you are, getting out of your comfort zone. So, this is the time for you to explore and embrace change. O, diba? Speaking of exploration, that is 9th house. So, yung iba sa inyo, sa 2025, pwedeng kayo ay magta-travel. You will go to different places. Pwede rin iba sa inyo mag-aaral. Pwede rin may magbabago sa inyong belief system. Meron kayong i-explore na bagong paniniwala, can be a religion, or yung mantra nyo sa buhay. So things are changing for you, wherein you want to explore new things. Yung iba sa inyo, you will go on an adventure. You have the Page of Swords. So some of you, this is about learning. You're going to be more curious. Meron kang mga interest ngayon na gusto mong mas palawakin yung kaalaman mo doon sa 2025. This can be anything, sa business, sa iyong sa trabaho mo, yung mga interest mo, ano pa yung gusto mong i-improve sa skills mo, gusto mong dagdagan yung nalalaman mo. You also have the Hanged Man. So this is having a different perspective in life. Na yung dati na paniniwala mo nagbabago, part kasi yan ng transformation din natin. Na kung nung mga nakaraang taon, nung mas bata ka pa, iba yung pinaniniwalaan mo. Tapos as you grow older, mas nagiging open-minded ka sa mga bagong ideas, sa mga bagong belief system. So, kumbaga ngayon, you are reassessing your situation. Self-reflection din kasi yan, yung Hanged Man. And I also see you na pagdating sa decision making, hindi ka na magpapadalos-dalos sa mga decision mo. You will think about it ng maraming beses bago ka mag-decide. You have the Fool. So there's new beginning. This is taking a risk. So yung iba sa inyo, meron kayong i-explore na, let's say, can be a business or pwede ring talents and skill set mo na gusto mong subukan kung hanggang saan mo may express yung sarili mo. Let's say, magaling ka mag-painting. You want to make it as your full-time job or career. So, kumbaga, medyo risky siya kasi kung meron ka ng trabaho, minsan pag inisip mo, parang hindi siya secure, di ba? Na mag-explore ng iba. But, this will open opportunities for you, mga bagay na hindi mo akalain na kaya mong gawin. Okay? So, you are seeing your potential. So, ngayong 2025, mas curious ka, mas risk-taker ka to try new things. Okay, let's see what else. Basta meron ka rito may experience na bago. Bago sa'yo, bago sa paningin mo, bago. You also have the Seven of Pentacles. So this is waiting for fruition. Maaring ngayong 2025, itetest rin yung patience mo. Patience sa mga nasimulan mo. No? Minsan kasi pag meron tayong, let's say, meron tayong tinanim, gusto natin makita na agad kung ano yung resulta nun, no? Kung ano yung bunga. Pero, hindi kasi ganun kadali, no? So, your patience will be tested kung gaano mo kagusto ang isang bagay. Kung willing ka na maghintay, willing ka na mag-sacrifice, willing ka na mag-effort. Dahil, kung ipapakita mo yan, no, na mag-e-effort ka, definitely there is success for you. You will be able to achieve your goals. Money, career, finances, may advancement. Career growth can be expected in your field of work. Yung iba naman may opportunities na parating sa inyo. Ano yan pag-unlad, paglago. So kung may negosyo ka, ngayong 2025, mas magiging malago ang iyong negosyo. Kung may trabaho ka naman, pwedeng merong promotion sa workplace mo. Mapopromote ka. Sa love life, someone is afraid of intimacy and commitment. Maaring you may be dealing with someone or you will deal with someone na ayaw ng commitment. O pwedeng ikaw to na iiwas ka muna sa commitment dahil hindi ka pa ready. Some of you naman, if you are in a relationship, pwedeng magka-problema pagdating sa yung pagiging sigurado ng yung parang security mo sa isang relationship. Maaring makaramdam ka na parang you don't feel safe or you don't feel secure in your relationship. So, if that's the case, then you have other options. Lagi mong isipin na meron kang options. Pwedeng umalis ka sa situation na yan and explore and meet new people, or stay in that relationship na lagi kang iniiwasan, di ba? Lady, this can be your energy. So you're going to be very charming if you're a woman, if you're a man, very attractive, no? So regardless of your gender, I see people na magiging attracted sa'yo for many reasons. Uy, my heart, oh. Romance in full bloom, oh. Yung iba sa inyo, maaring may mga admirers, oo, na pwedeng you might explore, no, with these people. Yung iba naman, this is about you loving yourself, no, practicing self-love, self-care. And then, merong birds. Ayan, sabi rito, ano raw, importante rin na yung mga kasama mo, no, yung mga taong nakapaligid sa'yo, yan yung mga taong mag-i-influence sa'yo sa mga actions mo moving forward. So, you really have to choose your friends wisely. Or maari ring ma-involve ka sa sa mga issues na pag-uusapan ka ng iba, or may mga gossip around you. So, maging maingat sa mga taong pagkakatiwalaan mo, ng mga ideas mo, ng mga sinasabi mo. Okay? Princess, you can be your own knight. Wow. So, ang ganda nito kasi this is about independence. Na you don't need someone actually, no, to feel secure, because you can, kaya mong ipagtanggol yung sarili mo. Bonus na lang kung merong tao sa buhay mo na will stand by your side. But kung wala man, lagi mong iisipin na you can take care of yourself. You can be your own knight. Okay? So that is your reading, Leo. Thank you so much. Bye.